Welcome to the best picks. The best car amplifier is probably one of the most crucial components for any car audio enthusiast looking to elevate their sound system, transforming a standard car stereo into a powerful sound machine that delivers crisp highs, deep lows, and an immersive listening experience that can be truly appreciated on the open road, making every drive a concert hall on wheels. Number 5. Polk Audio PSW 1010 Powered Subwoofer. Unlock a new dimension of sound with this powerful 10-inch subwoofer. Its advanced design delivers accurate, deep bass that truly brings your movies and music to life. Enjoy a balanced and rich audio experience, even at high volumes. This device plays demanding sounds without distortion, ensuring clear and powerful output. With up to 100 watts of power, this subwoofer offers double the amplifier strength. Its durable construction is built for extended use and superior performance. Easily connect this compact subwoofer to your existing system. Instantly upgrade your music and home theater sound for an immersive experience. This home subwoofer is designed to blend seamlessly with any speaker. Its compact size and easy setup make it the perfect addition to any room. The Polk Audio PSW-10 is engineered for exceptional bass performance. Its power port technology and robust build ensure a captivating audio experience. What we like. If you're looking for deep, rich bass in a compact package, this is your go-to. Its power port technology ensures you get big sound without taking up too much space. It's perfect for smaller rooms and easy integration with your existing home theater system. What people say. The bass is musical and works quite well for all music genres. This sub still has the potential to put a big smile on your face. The sound is present, strong, detailed. I haven't experienced the muddy sound as other people have noted. Number 4. Pioneer TS WX1010A10 Sealed Active Subwoofer. Experience an incredible audio upgrade with up to 1,100 watts of max power. This subwoofer delivers deep, rich bass that truly brings your music to life. It features a built-in 300-watt Class D amplifier, designed for high output and low distortion. This efficient amplifier ensures optimal performance with minimal heat. Take control of your audio with adjustable filters and a variable bass boost. You can fine-tune the sound to perfectly match any music genre. With a high sensitivity rating of 112 dB, it produces clear and powerful sound. Enjoy your music at any volume without worrying about distortion. Its innovative design offers enhanced rigidity and installation flexibility. You can easily install it freely or under seats for the best bass tuning. What we like. For those who crave powerful, immersive sound and flexible placement, this is the one. The built-in Class D amplifier delivers impressive power efficiently. Its innovative shape allows for installation in tight spots, like under seats, making it ideal for custom car audio setups. What people say. This little tiny box with amp and 10 sub really puts out some nice bass. Bass is tight and responsive. Easily equals or possibly outdoes the bass of my previous setup. This brought it all back. This is installed in my 2012 Silverado 2500 HD regular cab. Number 3. Rockville SK51212 1400W Car Subwoofer Package. Experience deep, resonant bass with an impressive 1400W peak power. This system is designed for music lovers who crave loud, clear sound. Constructed with a durable, vented enclosure made from 3/4 MDF. Its robust design ensures optimal bass alignment and long-lasting performance. Featuring high-quality components like a 4-layer aluminum voice coil and a Japanese OFC copper wire. Enjoy efficient, distortion-free sound reproduction. The included mono amplifier delivers 350W RMS power. It offers precise tuning with adjustable crossover and low-pass filter for any vehicle. Get everything you need for a quick setup with the included 8-gauge wiring kit. It features 100% copper RCA and power cables for a reliable connection. What we like. If you want a complete, high-performance bass solution for your car, look no further. This package includes a powerful 12-inch subwoofer, a robust enclosure, and all the necessary wiring for a straightforward installation. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want to feel the bass. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, it really brings out the details in the music. Easy to install, took me less than an hour to set up. It's surprisingly compact, fits perfectly under the seat without taking up too much space. Number 2. InstallGear Dual 10 Gauge Amp Wiring Kit. Get everything you need for a powerful dual amplifier setup. This kit includes all the necessary power and ground wires in both 10 and 4 gauge sizes for flexible installation. This package provides a robust solution for powering your amplifiers. It features a 10 gauge wire kit for efficient power distribution, along with an ANL fuse holder and distribution blocks for safety and organization. Ensure secure and lasting connections with the included ring terminals. The soft touch jacket on the wires provides flexibility, making installation and routing a breeze. Experience optimal audio performance with high-quality signal transmission. This kit includes RCA cables, a remote wire, and speaker wire for seamless connections throughout your audio system. Keep your installation neat and protected. The included split loom provides secure wire management, safeguarding your components from abrasion and wear for long-lasting reliability. What we like. When you need to power multiple amplifiers or a high-demand system, this dual 10 gauge wiring kit is essential. It provides robust power distribution and ensures reliable connections for optimal audio performance. It's the smart choice for serious car audio builds. What people say. Great quality and really soft and flexible. All the wiring was true to gauge and easy to work with. This kit has all you need to install 2 amps. Number 1. Pyle 1400W Dual Channel Car Amplifier PLA 2200. Experience the ultimate sound upgrade for your vehicle. This amplifier delivers an impressive 1400 watts of bridgeable output, perfect for powering your entire sound system. Enjoy pristine sound quality thanks to its gold-plated RCA ports, designed to prevent signal loss. It also features a subsonic filter to eliminate unwanted low-end interference, ensuring your speakers perform at their best. Our advanced MOSFET pulse width modulation power supply ensures a clean, distortion-free audio signal. This provides you with crisp and clear sound for a truly outstanding music experience. Your safety and the longevity of your equipment are paramount. This amplifier is equipped with thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection, designed to provide reliable, high-quality sound. Don't let its small size fool you. This compact amplifier makes installation incredibly easy, fitting into tight spaces while delivering immense power. It also includes convenient LED indicators and a soft turn-on circuit. What we like. For a compact yet powerful audio upgrade, this amplifier is a fantastic option. Its slim design makes installation easy in almost any vehicle. If you're looking to add significant power and clarity to your car's sound system without a bulky unit, this is the one for you. What people say. This amp is clean, easy to install and hammers. The MOSFET design gives clear sound with decent bass response, and bridging the channels adds a good punch. I power 2 very nice kicker 10s and let me tell ya, this thing delivers nice clean bass, and plenty of it. Also looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.